it's me, Parsa, and today we are going to be learning the 4 times table trick. So let's begin. Alright, so first you're going to want to make this little thing. We're going to put like 3 squares here, then 2 squares, 3 squares, 2 squares, and 3 squares. Alright, so first you're going to want to put a 0 here, a 2 here, a 4 here, and 6 here, and an 8 here. Alright, then you're going to do that again over here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then you're going to do the next row like this. 0, 4, 8. So now we're going to do the next step. So now I'm going to need, wait. So I'm going to use this marker. Alright. So what you're going to do, in the first column, you're going to put zeros next to them like this. And then in the next row, you're going to put ones. 1, 1. In the next one, you're going to put 2s. Like this. 2s. So next row, you're going to put 3s. In the next row, you're going to put 3s. There. In the last row, you're going to put 4s. There. So here's the 4 times table tricks. These are all the answers to all the questions. So, 0 times 4 equals to 0, 1 times 4 equals to 4, 2 times 4 equals to 8, 3 times 4 equals to 12, 4 times 4 equals to 16, 5 times 4 equals to 20, 6 times 4 equals to 24, 7 times 4 equals to 28, 8 times 4 equals 32, 9 times 4 equals to 36, 10 times 4 equals to 40, 11 times 4 equals to 44, 12 times 4 equals to 48. So this is the whole 4 times table. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Gotta do it, okay? Bye!